Ryan Steinelson here with Business Trends TV, and today I have Dr. Gary Wilson on the line with us from Clearsight Lasik in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. And Doctor, you there?
I am.
Awesome. Great to have you with us.
Thank you.
And we have some questions that we want to get answered. I mean, one of the things that we always get asked on the show is if I'm looking for a great LASIK surgeon, what should I be looking for?
Well, I think one thing would be to look for online reviews. That would certainly be important. But another thing would be to do it sort of like our major universities when they fly their student athletes to away games. They have learned the hard way, the deadly way really, that if you don't have a good setup for flying your students, tragedy can happen. So what they look for now is a full-time professional pilot who is highly experienced in flying the best technology. And that also applies to LASIK. If I were looking or advising a friend on the East or West Coast, I would say look for a full-time LASIK surgeon, realizing that 10% of the time is what most doctors do with their LASIK practice in this country. They do LASIK 10% of the time, and 90% of the time they're doing something else. So look for a full-time LASIK surgeon who is highly experienced. And I'm not just talking about a few hundred cases or a few thousand. I'm talking about tens of thousands of cases. And then it's imperative that they have the best technology. There is no substitute for the best technology. And keep in mind that many LASIK centers in this country are still using technology that is 10 to 15 years out of date.
Wow, it's very insightful. Now, what kind of technology are you referring to specifically? Is there any specific type of